August the 29th. How rich I am! God is the creator of the whole universe, yet is holding my life in his hands. He ever guides the constellations of stars and at the same time remembers man. Wind and water also obey him, and this is my God, my Father. I am his child. Nobody is like this Lord, and he loves me. How rich I am! He hangeth the earth upon nothing. Job chapter 26, verse 7. What is man, that thou art mindful of him? Psalm 8, verse 4. Thank you, Lord, that you also have me in your hand.